What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP guys. Just a few hours to go for the Bitcoin halving. How is AMP going to get affected over the short term and over the long term? That's what we are going to be going through in today's video and looking at just before the halving. Is it a good idea to buy it? Is it a good idea to sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its short-term and long-term prediction, looking at is this a crypto still worth investing into in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we can still see that AMP is trading below the SMA indicator here in purple, which is again not looking too good. However, after the Bitcoin halving takes place, I'm expecting it to go for a little bit of a pump, but I'll be going through that later on in the video. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Again, I'm not expecting a major drop or a crash or anything like that. It is likely to be very minimal guys, potentially dropping down just above 0.0071 cents in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. But of course, do expect green candles in between, both green and red candles. It is likely to be volatile, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? So we have taken quite of a U-turn on the orange line. However, the blue line is still looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from AMP over the coming week, so towards the end of next week, according to the graph. However, from the analysis and predictions that I have done, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value from the crypto over the coming week. It should be heading over 0.008 cents in value is what my expectations are at the moment. However, AMP is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis on what to expect and what to predict. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, and mainly to stay in the loop on what to expect and what to predict. And especially now that the Bitcoin halving is happening, there will be major updates coming out consistently on my Instagram and YouTube channel as well. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are not looking too good at all. We have the blue line, well, slightly looking bullish or in a straight line. That is due to the fact that the crypto has more or less slowly started to stabilize right now, and the orange line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, my take is that an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting. It should be heading over 0.014 cents in value is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at, potentially by the end of, not next week, by mid to late June 2024. I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at a higher value, much higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially double of where it is. However, if there are any major updates, I will keep you guys updated, especially with the Bitcoin halving coming up. I am expecting major increases, not just on AMP or Bitcoin, but the crypto market in general. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we did drop down into the red zone earlier this week. However, right now it has bounced back up into the green zone right now, and we are trading at the resistance level here. And what I would be expecting from AMP is an overall increase in value into the dark green zone and into the blue zone by late May, June. I would be expecting an overall increase in value, but then again, it is cryptocurrency, it is a volatile market, so if there are any updates, I will let you guys know. So let's head back into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has dropped by 15% in the last 24 hours, making it $24 million in trading, guys. Reason for the drop is the crypto hasn't been performing too well, guys. As you guys can see, over the week it has been very volatile, but overall it has dropped 13% in value. So not many people are trading, not just AMP but the crypto market in general, and majority of the people are at the moment looking to stay away from the crypto market until the Bitcoin halving takes place and potentially invest once it goes back up, such as Bitcoin. But let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low you guys are expecting AMP to go after the Bitcoin halving, and essentially what your predictions are on the Bitcoin itself. How high can it go? If you check out my previous videos, I did expect it to hit $100,000 later on in the next 2 to 3 months. Again, this is my take, and I've seen a lot of comments online saying it's going to hit that target as well. But from the predictions that I have done, yes, 100k is possible. Let me know how high you guys are expecting Bitcoin to go, as well as AMP, how high you guys are expecting it to go as well. And again, AMP at the start of the year, as you guys can see, it did go for a major pump back in, let's have a look here, March. It did literally go through a huge increase in value before it started to crash back down again by mid to late March, and it's still ongoing right now. But as I mentioned, I'm expecting it to slowly recover. And yeah, this is my take and my prediction on AMP, guys. If you guys want regular or even daily updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.